Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on cleaning your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. Today, we will guide you through a detailed step-by-step process to ensure your vacuum operates at peak performance. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a soft cloth, a small brush, a screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. These tools will help you disassemble and clean the various components of your Dyson HD01. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner from the power source to ensure safety during cleaning. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button located on the side. This is where most debris accumulates, so it's crucial to clean it thoroughly. Rinse the dustbin under warm water, avoiding any harsh chemicals that could damage the material. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the exterior, ensuring no dust remains. While you're at it, check the filter. If it's dirty, rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. Allow it to air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it into the vacuum. Now, let's move to the brush bar. To access it, you'll need to use your screwdriver to remove the screws holding the cover in place. Carefully lift the cover to expose the brush bar. Use the small brush to remove hair and debris tangled around the bristles. If you encounter stubborn dirt, scissors can be used to cut through any tangled hair. While you're cleaning, it's important to remember that if you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice without any commitment. After cleaning the brush bar, reassemble the cover by securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues. Next, inspect the hoses for blockages. Detach them from the main body and look for any clogs. Use your soft cloth or a brush to clean inside the hoses, making sure they are clear of any debris. If you find significant blockages, it might be best to contact us for assistance. At this stage, consider that we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This is a convenient option if you prefer not to transport your vacuum to a service center. Once all components are cleaned and reassembled, plug your Dyson HD01 back in. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If you notice anything off, remember that we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the cost up front. In conclusion, maintaining your Dyson HD01 is straightforward with regular cleaning and checks. With the right tools and techniques, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years. If you find this process too daunting, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We're here to help, ensuring you never have to worry about your vacuum cleaner again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.